sharing a breast pump tutorial the right way, things nobody really tells you, but every mom should know. First, remember this. Comfort comes first. Always make sure the flange size fits properly. A wrong size can cause pain and reduce milk flow, so don't ignore this step. Before pumping, gently massage your breasts or apply a warm compress. This helps with letdown and makes pumping easier and more effective. When using a manual breast pump, start slow, gentle. Rhythmic pumping works better than strong, fast pressure. Pumping harder does not mean more milk. This is a common mistake many moms make. Keep your posture relaxed and sit comfortably. Stress can actually reduce milk flow, so take a deep breath and give yourself time. Always make sure all pump parts are clean and properly assembled before use. After pumping, store milk safely in a clean bottle or storage bag and label it with the date and time. Every mom's body is different, so listen to your body and do what feels right for you. And when in doubt, always consult a lactation consultant or healthcare professional. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You're doing amazing, Mama!